If you're a Google Chrome user and you switch between different tabs to find out the answer and you're still spending a lot of time to do a research, then this is a tool for you. Google just launched Gemini 3.1 directly into your Google Chrome. Now, no more you have to shift between different tabs, scrap the data and find the answers. Ask Gemini feature will do all the work on your behalf. Let's understand some use cases, how it can save a lot of time for you. The first thing, if you see on my screen, I have this Ask Gemini feature in the Google Chrome. Now, how to enable this feature if you don't have it? Click on three dots in your Google Chrome, click on the settings button at the bottom. Next, on the left hand side, you can see there's an AI innovations option. Then click on Gemini in Chrome and you can enable both these options. The first option shows Show Gemini at top of the browser. If you enable this option, on the top you can see Ask Gemini feature. The second option shows Show Gemini in the system tray icon. At the bottom of your screen, you can see there's a system tray icon and this is the Ask Gemini feature here. And if you want, you can disable those options. The first thing, we have enabled the options for Ask Gemini. Now, this is a very new feature which has recently launched in the Google Chrome part, and let's understand what is the use case for that. Let's say on LinkedIn, I've searched for vice president, all the people for vice president, and I've got list of all the vice president people in India, right? And these are working in different companies. Here I can just click on Ask Gemini and I can ask some questions. For example, extract data in table format. So I can give a command like extract data into a table format. It will go through this simple page, extract one by one all the data into a table format. Now you see it has given all the answers into a simple table format. Now if I want, I can also ask them to send customized email. I'm asking them to send a customized email to everyone. So what has happened is this Ask Gemini is connected to all your Google Suite, connected to Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Slides, everything. So it can actually do that. Now you see within few seconds, it has actually created a customized email for everyone. Also, if you see, it has also scrapped the emails from that data. Now it's very interesting. My job is just to click on send button and automatically it will send emails to all of them. Now obviously, the more better prompt, the more better output you can get it. Go to YouTube over here and I'm searching for, let's say, a topic, let's say Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so Microsoft Fabric is something which is very interesting tool, one-stop solution for all the data analytics platform. Now, if I want to scrap the data and find out who are the people who have recorded about the Microsoft Fabric, I can click on Ask Gemini and here I can give a command. Extract all the data from this particular web page, find out the name of the channel and find out the name of the video, also the subscribers and also the view count, and give me this data into a table format. Perfect. So what I did was I just give a voice command instead of typing. I give a very simple prompt here, extract all the data, find out the subscribers, views and everything. And you can see I have the Microsoft channel, which is given over here, 2.17 million subscribers, 419,000 2 years back. So every detail it has extracted and given me the output here. I can also go one step beyond and I can ask them to also transcribe, okay, or transcribe first video. Okay, and ask them to transcribe the first video. What it will do is it will transcribe the data, convert the audio into a text format, and I'll get all the inputs over here. Simple step by step, everything I'll be getting here. So this tool is interesting. It is connected to all your Google products. Okay, all the products over here. Now the next one is very interesting. Let me open a new window. Let's say I want to go to a Taj Hotel Mumbai. I'm planning to go on a vacation on Taj Hotel Mumbai and I want to book the room over there. But which place should I go? Okay, which website should I go? It's very problematic to go and search every single website. What I'm going to do here is I'll do my work easy. I'll press control click, and if I press control click, I'm searching the first 10 websites from here, control click. Now these are 10 websites. On all those 10 websites, the prices will differ. Every website, the prices might differ. I don't have time to go and search on any website. I can just click on Ask Gemini. When I click on Ask Gemini, you can see over here, plus icon. So when I click on the plus icon, I can select this tabs over here. So one by one, I can select all the tabs over here and now I can ask a question. So I'll press Windows H from my keyboard and I can just give a voice command here. Extract all the prices from all the websites which are given here for the Taj Hotel and give me the data in a table format. Perfect. So I just gave a simple command, extract all the prices from all the websites and give me the data in a table format. No doubt the mistake was there in terms of writing this data here, but you see it has automatically extracted the data and giving me what price is given at what location and everywhere. So I can also ask them to give me one table. Instead of giving me multiple tables, I'm just asking them to just give me one table. I don't want to go into different tabs and find out the answers. And you see, it has given the answer in just one single table. Now my job is to find out what is the lowest price, cheapest price for the same kind of hotel, not the different one, same kind of hotel, same room. And it is going to save me a lot of money. This is interesting. The next one would be the last one. I can just open a new window. And let's say I search about Sachin Tendulkar on Wikipedia. And I open the first link over here, this last option here. Now let's say I want to extract some information. I want to see the image. I want to search similar images or maybe some text. Okay, first click in the URL. So just click in the browser and you can see the first option, ask Google about this page. When you click on this option here, it will actually come in the selection mode. On the right hand side, I can type and ask some information about this particular page. Who is this person, what they do, how many scores they have done, and etc. Or second, I can also select this text over here. When I select the text, it will try to find out the exact image on the right hand side. Okay, maybe if I search this photo, and on the right hand side, it works like a Google. On the right hand side, it can search the exact image about that person. So if you don't know any one person over here, okay, you can search and get all the pictures about that person. This is interesting. So if you have not used Ask Gemini feature, Google has launched Gemini 3.1 directly into Google Chrome. Use it and save a lot of time.